How to cancel Netflix auto payment. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can cancel your Netflix auto payment, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now maybe you are a person who was only trying to watch Netflix for 1 month, but even after a month your card details are still with Netflix. That is why they deduct the balance from you each and every month, and you really don't want that to be the case and you want to cancel the auto payment. Well, for that there are two solutions that I can give you. First of all, I want you to simply open up your browser, go to netflix.com and sign into the account. Remember, I'm talking about the browser because the application has very limited features. Once you're on the website, tap the three lines option from the top left hand side of the screen and then just go to this option known as account option that you can find over here. Now keep in mind that Netflix does not ask you for your permission whenever they want to renew the membership. They're simply going to deduct the balance thinking that you're still interested in the membership. That is why there isn't a direct method to directly go ahead and then cancel the auto payment. But the two solutions that I'm going to give you are here. First of all, one thing that you can do is you can simply change the billing day. So currently you can see I get charged at the end of each month. So if I don't want to get charged at this month and I want to postpone it up to a little bit later date, I can just select this option known as change billing day option over here. Once I select change billing day, I can simply select a new date of the month and then I'm going to get charged in that specific day other than that day. And the other reason and the other way you can actually cancel auto payment is by simply canceling your membership, and there is no other way. Now let me tell you, when you cancel a membership, you might have a specific question. Because you've already paid for this month, will my subscription cancel right away or stay till the end of this month? So let's say you get charged on the 30th of each month and today is, let's say, 12th or 13th, and if you cancel your membership is going to remain till the end of this month because you've already been charged for it. And because you've already been charged for it, which means that your membership is going to stay active, after the end of this month your membership is going to get cancelled. So you just need to tap the cancel membership option, and next time whenever you want to watch Netflix, you can try to log into your account and resume membership. Until then, it is not going to deduct the balances from your card or any of the other payment methods that you might have. And so far, these are the only solutions that I can offer to you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.